Today we're going to be talking about Bhat Prabhu, not Danda Bhat Prabhu, but Bhat Prabhu. Now, who is Bhat Prabhu? Well, Bhat Prabhu is, that devotee who can make 108 excuses like in about a minute, who's always saying, yeah, but. It's very important to talk about Danda, not to talk about Bhat Prabhu. Now, where did I get this idea from Bhat Prabhu? Well, from the statement, I know I should, but, and then comes the reason you're not going to do it. But this morning we were reading about Dhritarashtra, and I realized Dhritarashtra must be one of the original Bhat Prabhus or Bhat Maharajas in Shastra. Because Vidura came to Dhritarashtra and said, your life's a mess, and it's all self-created, and you're on a destructive path. And if I were in your shoes, I would not do what you're doing, actually. I would renounce, I would give up, go to the forest and prepare to go back to Godhead. That was the last advice. He also gave him some other advice. Don't engage in this battle. Don't side with your son. This is going to be a disaster for you. You're going to lose everything. The second time, he stopped being Bhat Prabhu. But the first time, he was Bhat Prabhu. And because he was Bhat Prabhu, it was a disaster. A huge disaster. What did he tell Vidura? He said, what you're saying, it's right, but I'm just not ready to do it. That's Prabhupada's paraphrase. I'm not ready to do it. So, what does but mean? Well, everything that generally comes after, if the sentence is, I know I should, but, then what comes after the but? Well, the but is the reason you're not going to do it. Now, here's the problem. There might be a good reason not to do something, like good reason not to fall into Maya. But that's not going to come before a sentence that starts, I know I should. I know I should fall into Maya, but I'm not. No. I know I could fall into Maya, and I'm not. But when you say, I know I should, it means something you heard from Srila Prabhupada, something you heard in a class that resonated with you, something you read somewhere, or something Krishna revealed from within your heart. I know I should, but, and then comes the reason, you're not going to do it. Why would you not do something that's good for you? Why would you not do something that you know you should do? That's a good question. And the answer is, there is no answer, because there's no reason not to do it. There's every reason to do it, no reason not to do it. So when you say, but, now you're stating your rationale, your excuse for not doing it. I have a better suggestion. Don't be a Bhat Prabhu, be an and Prabhu. Okay, what's an and Prabhu? Well, instead of saying but, you can say and. I know I should do this and. So what comes after and? And it's going to be difficult, and I don't want to do it, and I've been procrastinating, and end your sentence with, I'm going to do it. So when you say but, your excuse comes after it. When you say and, you open up the possibility of actually facing it, talking about it. Okay, and it's going to be difficult, and I've been procrastinating, and I don't like doing it, and I'm going to try my best to do it. That's how you want to end your sentence. So instead of being I but Prabhu, be an and Prabhu, and your life will be transformed by one word. Go from but to and, everything's going to change. Hare Krishna.